Now start synthetic fiber or thread. From which substance in nature can we get thread or fibers? Another question, what are cloth made from? That means cloth and fibers are the made from which substance they present in the nature or which things they present in the nature. First, from the time it was first up that artificial yarn could be produced to meet the clothing need of and increasing the population, much research and progress has taken place in the field. Innumerable kind of synthetic or artificial threads are now available: nylon, dacron, terylene, terine, polyester, rayon, and the name of various synthetic threads. That means formation of the threads and fibers in the nature, that means artificial and natural. That means first, from the increasing the population and question to the provide to the cloth. That means then first the research and progress has taken place in the fields. Innumerable kinds of synthetics or artificial threads are now available. That means जो artificial जो फाइबर से क्लोथ है, that means threads है available. The name of is the nylon, dacron, terylene, terine, polyesters, rayons are the name of the various synthetic threads. Synthetics means काय the prepares in the artificials of the threads. Then almost all artificial made from the natural fiber in the olden day can now be made from the synthetic thread. Nylon, rayon, terylene, acrylic are also synthetic thread, and many articles in our daily use are made from them. That means nylon, rayon, terylene, acrylics, all type of the synthetic thread they use and prepare the different type of the things, and now the available or the present in the market. That means first nylon, these thread are were invented of the some time in the New York and London. Therefore the initial NY means initial of the New York and London, from the Londons were combined to the name of the nylon name कैसा प्रिपेयर हुआ है, कैसे, दैट मीन नाइलॉन, NY मीन्स न्यूयॉर्क and LON means London. First alphabet and initials are used of the two cities. That means one is the New York and another is the London. Then formation of the nylon. Nylon thread have the shining and are strong transparent. Nylon thread कैसा रहता है, shiny, and shiny means चकाकी, and strong transparent and water resist. That means they do not absorb the water. They are also to manufacture cloth, fashioning net and rope etc. उसे हम रोप फॉर्म करते हैं. देन क्लोथ भी हम उसे प्रिपेयर करते हैं. दैट मीन किससे, नाइलॉन कैसा रहता है, वाटर रेजिस्टेंस, मीन डू नॉट एब्जॉर्ब ऑफ द वाटर. दे वर्ड्स आर प्रिपेयर फ्रॉम न्यूयॉर्क एंड London. That means very transparent shiny threads they prepare from the ropes and other things. That means there are the diagram. First nylons, then nylons band, another is the cloth. Different type of the things are the prepared from the nylon threads. Next, rayon. Cottons and wood pulp is dissolved in the chemical called as the sodium hydroxide to make a solution. सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड जो सॉल्यूशन है उसमें केमिकल, उसमें हम क्या डिजोल्व करते हैं, कॉटन एंड वुड पल्प इज डिजोल्व. जो वुड पल्प एंड कॉटन रहते हैं वो हम उसमें डिजोल्व करते हैं एंड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द रेयन्स. द थ्रेड्स आर ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम दिस सॉल्यूशन विद द हेल्प ऑफ मशीन and use of the machines की help लेते हैं. as these thread have the shiny and strength, there are said to be the synthetic silk. This appears to the shiny bright like the sun ray. Hence their name is a rayon. Rayon means the formation of cottons and wood pulp. Then add up the chemical, that means which type of the chemical, sodium hydroxide, dissolve and use of the machine, and the thread are obtained from the solution with the help of the machine, and this thread have the shiny, वो thread कैसा रहता है, shiny and strength, and there are said to be the synthetic silk, उससे हम synthetic silk formation करते हैं. This appears to be shiny bright light is the sun rays, hence their name is the rayon. उसे क्या बोलते हैं, हम rayon बोलते हैं. Then next dacron, terrellins, terrenes, various hydrocarbons obtained from minerals oils are used to make the polymer chain. Polymer chain means the hydrocarbon, different type of the hydrocarbons from mineral oil are used to make the polymer chain. Is a solution such a polymer is pressed through the strainers with fine hole. This fiber form after cooling and long and under broken thread. These threads are twisted to the obtain yarn. That means obtained from the yarn. Then use of the hydrocarbons. That means the polymer of the hydrocarbon minerals oils are the use. Then these solutions of the polymers is pressed through the strainer and fine formation of the whole like structure. That means the fine whole like fibers are the form. That means these threads are the twisted to the obtain yarn. Different type of the chemicals are used to make the thread of the various property. That means हम जो thread बनाते हैं उसमें different type के chemical use करते हैं. These different thread have been named various to dacron, terrellin, terrenes, म्हणजे डेक्रॉन, टेरेलिन, टेरिन और अदर टाइप ऑफ जो थ्रेड से वो बनाते हैं उसमें हम डिफरेंट टाइप की क्या यूज़ करते हैं, केमिकल यूज़ करते हैं. दैट मीन्स वन एग्जांपल दिया है, कौन सा है वो, दैट मीन्स सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का भी एग्जांपल दिया है. दैट मीन्स हाइड्रोकार्बन, वेरियस हाइड्रोकार्बन्स आर द ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम डेक्रिन, टेरेलिन एंड टेरिन. न्यू वर्ड्स, दैट मीन्स हाइड्रोकार्बन substance obtained from minerals and oil. Polymer chain, long continuous chain formed by the small interlinked chemical units. That means there are the formation of these threads, fibers, cloth, then band, then nylon, declins, terrellins, and cloth are the formation of the different type of the use the chemicals. Next, advantage and shortcoming of synthetic fibers. That means use of advantage. This fiber can be manufactured on the mass scale. That means the manufacturing in the which scale, mass scale. They cost less. उनकी कॉस्ट कैसी रहती है, लेस. देर आर स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड ड्यूरेबल्स. वो कैसा रहता है, स्ट्रॉन्ग. दे कैन बी यूज फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम. हम लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं. देन देर आर वाटर रिपेलेंट. डू नॉट रॉट टू गेट वेट. दे ड्राई इजीली. दे आर इजीली ड्राई हो सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स वाटर एब्जॉर्ब कैपेसिटी कैसी रहती है उसमें, मोर. देर आर लाइट वेट. उनका वेट लाइट वेट है, कम वेट का रहता है. एंड कंफर्टेबल टू द वेयर एज दे हैव द शाइनी. वो शाइनी रहते हैं. देर आर इनहेंस एंड अपीयरेंस ऑफ द wearers. Cloth made from these threads are wrinkle free and scratch free. Scratch free means very suitable, comfortable. हम उससे क्लोथ फॉर्मेशन कर सकते हैं. अनदर इज shortcoming. There are water repellents, hence do not absorb sweat from the skin. Skin से do not absorb to the sweat forms. The continuous use of the cloth made from this thread keep to the skin moist, which may cause skin disease. स्किन डिसीज होने के चांसेस रहते हैं. क्यों जो मॉइस्ट रहता है अपनी स्किन का वो एब्जॉर्ब नहीं करता. अनदर इज Synthetic clothes are uncomfortable to wear efficiently in the summers. The next, synthetic fabric catches fire easily. If they catch fire, the cloth sticks to the skin and causes serious injuries. हमें injuries हो सकती है. The fiber are not decomposed by the microorganism. वो fiber decompose होता है का? No, that means the attack of the microorganism. They do not decompose. That means there are the created of the pollution. इससे पोल्यूशन भी क्रिएट हो सकता है क्योंकि ये डिकम्पोज होता नहीं. दैट मीन दे क्रिएट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम. दे अनदर द कॉजेज ऑफ द डिसीज. वाई? बिकॉज डू नॉट एब्जॉर्ब ऑफ द वाटर्स एंड वेस्टेज टू द स्किन. स्किन का जो वेस्टेज रहता है तो मॉइस्ट रहता है वो एब्जॉर्ब नहीं करता. वाटर भी एब्जॉर्ब नहीं करता. देर आर द इंजरीज ऑफ द स्किन. स्किन को इंजरीज हो सकती है. ओके.